So we have Unit 2, Topic 1, Amphibia. So general characteristics, let's discuss about that first. Number one being the habitat, the dual life. They live dual life. They are partly aquatic and partly terrestrial. They are found in fresh waters and moist land areas and some tropical forest. So the second portion being the body covering. Their body is moist, smooth or rough, glandular skin, no scales. Skin is respiratory with mucus and poison glands. Number three being limbs. Two pair of pentadactyl limbs, except in limbless amphibians, adapted for jumping, swimming, walking, or burrowing. Number four being skeleton. They have bony skeleton, skull is mostly flat. Vertebrae are procalyous, concave in front, or amphicoelous. Sorry for the pronunciation errors again. Um, then number five we have respiration by gills. Larvae actually uh, perform the process of respiration through their gills, and adults perform through lungs and skin. Bucopharyngeal respiration also occurs. Number six being the circulatory system, three-chambered heart, two auricles and one ventricle, double circulation with partial mixing of blood. Number seven being nervous and sensory system, brain is divided into typical vertebrate regions, eyes with eyelids, middle ear with one ossicle or columella. Again, there is a pronunciation error with this. Just check this out once. Lateral line present in larvae and aquatic adults. Number 8 being excretion and osmoregulation. Excrete urea, urotelic and mesonephric kidneys and cloaca present. And number 9 being reproduction, mostly oviparous and dioecious. External fertilization in most and development indirect with tadpole larvae. So we are done with the 9 general characteristics for amphibia. Now we'll discuss about the classification of amphibia up to subclasses. Right. The number one subclasses which is extinct is called as this Labyrinthodontia. Example as you can see here. What are the key features? Transitional between fish and amphibians and labyrinthine tooth structure. Urodela or chordata. Examples are salamandra and ampistoma. Their key features are tail persists throughout life, limb well developed. Number three being anura or salintia. Example being frog, toad. We have rana and bufo. Tail absent in adults and hind limbs for leaping. Then we have apoda or gymnophena, and here is the example Istiophis. And what exactly is the key feature here? Limbless, burrowing, and body worm like. We're done with the three subclasses here. We'll discuss about the origin and evolution of amphibia. They evolved from lobe-finned fishes, okay, in Devonian period in 370 million years ago, and evolution is driven by wood, drawing of freshwater habitats, need for terrestrial adaptation. Lungs evolved from swim bladder, and limbs evolved from lobe fins here. Now important transitional forms here and here. So these are two important transitional forms. Both show fish and amphibian traits. Next we have neoteny and pediogenesis. Neoteny, retention of larval traits in sexually mature adults. Example is retention of gill in adult, Necturus and Exol. They are ambistoma. Then we have pediogenesis, sexual maturity in larval stage itself, reproduction without metamorphosis. Then we have causes, environmental, low iodine and which inhibits thyroxine, genetic factors being one of those causes, and hormonal imbalance, which is thyroxine deficiency. Reference is taken from Gilbert Carlson, which shows about development delay due to endocrine malfunction. The next portion being number E, parental care in amphibians. Though many lay eggs in water and leave, some amphibians show unique adaptations as well. Number one is nest building. Example is Hyla. They build foam nest on water. Next being egg carrying on back, Alitis. Males carry eggs on back legs. Then we have mouth brooding. Rhinoderma is example here, and tadpoles develop in vocal sacs of the male. Gastric brooding, Rheobractus, oh sorry about that, Rheobatrachus, I think that's how it's spelled. If I'm spelling it incorrectly, I apologize for that. They are extinct species here, and tadpoles develop in stomach. Viviparity, Salamandra atro gives birth to live youngs. And we are done with parental cage and amphibians. So, JZ Young and Raven and Johnson emphasize parental care as a survival strategy in unpredictable environments. Now, in the next part, we'll discuss about the flowchart of amphibious structure, classification, and adaptation.